Hey everybody, it's Pete with hydroblockswest.com. Hydroblocks West. For more information, go to hydroblockswest.com, and that's hydroblocks with an X. Hey, listen, take a look at this. This is why you don't want to use French drains. Who knows how long this has been installed, but I can tell you what the result is. Look at that. No wonder they weren't getting any drainage. Hydroblocks doesn't clog. Hydroblocks has a lifetime warranty not to clog. It won't crush. It's got a permanent void space of well over 40%, which is a heck of a lot more porous than gravel. And oh, by the way, it won't clog. Look at this. Look at these tree roots, or whatever kind of roots they are, just coming out. I mean, you know, a French drain basically becomes almost kind of like a planter. Come on, folks. Your lesson for the day: the reason why they call it a French drain is because a guy by the name of Henry French came up with the idea in 1859. Now, if any of you folks are out there still riding horses to work, well, good for you, but most of us aren't. It's called technology, and Hydroblocks is a disruptive technological innovation, and it's just like any other high-tech innovation that came out of Silicon Valley. This happens to come out of Western Pennsylvania, and it does not clog like French drains do. For more information, go to hydroblockswest.com. Again, hydroblockswest.com.